Hi. So we're working on this Brenderup right here. We've got the floor taken out. We're taking the ramp out. Ramps a lot of times look like this right here. This is the outside of the ramp. You can see where the frame was right here. This is the top of the ramp, that's the bottom. Can you see this raised area right here? These dimples in the paper? That's what you want to look for. That's a sign of ramps that are starting to fail. Now this ramp looked pretty good before we took it off. But I want you to look over here what they look like underneath. You can see we've been working on this one, taking it apart. This is where the hinge was. This was the hinge side of the ramp. And you can see it's completely rotten out. If you look on the floor, it's all come apart while we've done it. So when you see this kind of sign right here, those dimples on your paper, you'll have to lift up your wind cover sometimes to see them. But when you see that, it's time to start looking at them because that's telling you that there's another problem. Thanks for watching.